Good afternoon, everyone. This is Tony from Her Homestead Skills, and as you can see, I have quite the load of tomatoes there. There's one batch, and there's another, and I suspect between the two of them, I have, likely in the range of 60 pounds of tomatoes. And yes, just got back from holiday, and yes, the critters did get some of them while I was away, and some of them should have been picked last week for sure. Some of them are overly ripe, and others just fell in my hand as I was picking the ripe ones first. But there's going to be at least another 50 to 100 pounds to be picked easily. So tomorrow I will start on these. I'm just a little bit tuckered out right now. Got up very early and did a whole lot of laundry and a few other things. So yes, have to do my tomatoes. There is absolutely no tomato shortage in this house. I hear that there is a tomato shortage, but we won't be feeling it here. I had processed 2 bushels or 100 pounds before I left, and I suspect I will get at least another 100 pounds from my own garden, and likely more than that. I'll process them as they mature, and I suspect, let's see, probably another 2 weeks worth of picking before it starts to get too cold and they start to deteriorate, perhaps. Okay, well, I also had some potatoes washed and peeled, and I was going to get them ready to put them on the dehydrator, and I recognized that these are nice and firm, they're in great shape, and they could probably hold out longer than the tomatoes. The tomatoes will likely deteriorate much faster, so I made sure that I went out and got all the tomatoes that I could. Well, not all of them. There's still a lot there that I could have got today, but I'll probably get these ones canned up first and then go back for more. But yeah, the potatoes can hold out. They're a lot firmer, they're a lot stronger than the tomatoes, and therefore will not deteriorate in any hurry. And these are just some of the potatoes I have. I have others in the refrigerator, all that I could fit into the drawers at the very bottom to be kept cool. And these have yet to be processed. I left as much dirt on them as stuck to them. I didn't care. I'll brush that off before I wash them in the sink and process them. But yes, these are, as I said, these are much firmer, can hold out until I get the tomatoes done. And that could be a week or so, who knows. Or at least until I get a break in between tomatoes. So that's where I stand for now. Got my work cut out for me. Potatoes and tomatoes, tomatoes and potatoes.